Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to make steak fajitas. We're going to make a cilantro lime marinade, and we're also going to roast up some veggies on the grill. And sounds really good to me. That's what I'm hungry for, so hope it sounds good to you. Y'all hang out and I'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, we're going to mix up our marinade for our steak. Going to start out with a couple of nice limes. So just cut them in half. Get our marinade bag here. And I don't have a juicer, so I just take a knife and cut down through it. Kind of get it opened up a little bit. And I'll take a spoon and just kind of press down in there and get all that juice out of there. I found that this works just as good as having a juicer. Just work it down against the rind, and just keep working it until you get it all squeezed out of there. Get as much as you can. If you get a little pulp in there, no big deal. Do this other half. And what the lime juice does is it actually helps tenderize the meat. I'm using the eye around. You can use flank steak, sirloin, any cut of meat you want, whatever you prefer. I've always found that it works just as well with this, with the lime juice helping tenderize it. So just get in there and get her all juiced out. Alright, there's one. I'm going to use two. Again, just cut down through there. I'm just trying to pierce all them little pockets. Just helps out. I mean, you don't have to, but I found it helps. And you can use the bottled lime juice too. I just think that the fresh lime juice just gives a better flavor. Just my opinion. You know what opinions are like. So, alright. Alright, one last half here. Ooh, we got a squirter. Alright, there's our lime juice. Give me a little towel here to wipe my hands off. Now, we're going to put some cilantro in there. And I'm going to use about, I don't know, a tablespoon or so. A little bit of sea salt. And then, of course, garlic. Good helping of garlic, because I like garlic. And olive oil. The olive oil just helps transfer the flavor of the cilantro and the garlic. Don't take a whole lot. So, alright, got that. We're just going to plop our steaks in here. Make sure you kind of peel them apart so they're not all stuck together. Alright, our bag folded up. Make sure she's sealed up. And then we're just going to give her a good toss and shake and move her around. Make sure everything's good and coated. Awesome. Awesome. Awesome possum. Alright. Alright. Now I'm going to take some air out of this. There we go. Alright. Now, if you're doing this the same day, you know, let it marinate for at least an hour. I'm doing it the day before, so yeah, that way I like mine good and marinated. So, all right, there we go. We got that all done. I'm gonna pop her in the fridge for overnight, and we'll get them thrown on the grill tomorrow. So, when I come back, it will be tomorrow. All right, y'all. Our meat's been marinated overnight. It's ready to go on the grill. I did cut up some vegetables here, some nice red onion, some yellow, red, and green peppers. We're going to put those on the grill and roast those up too. We got some tomatoes to dice up to add to it, and I actually made some homemade guacamole. So we're all ready to get this all cooked up. So let's head out to the grill. We'll get this cooked up, and then we'll have some fajitas. Alright, y'all, we got that grill going. I did spray the grates down with a little bit of olive oil. So let's get our steak going on here. Alright, there's our steak. Get our vegetables on here. I might have to light the third burner up. I think we are. Alright, give me a minute, guys, and I'll light that third burner and we'll get the rest of this stuff on there. Alright, y'all. He's been cooking for a little bit. Let's see how they're doing. Sorry about the background noise. Ooh. These are thin steaks, so they won't take a whole lot to cook. So, ooh, vegetables are roasting up nicely. put a little bit more heat under these vegetables. Get them roasted up. I am going to hit them with a little bit of olive oil on the other side here too. Y'all be careful if you're using this spray around your grill. It is flammable. So, all right. Close the lid here, and we're going to continue on cooking. We'll bring y'all back when we're a little further along or they're done. So, y'all hang out. Alright, y'all. These things are like 99.9% done. Background noise has gotten really bad. Haven't really videoed a whole lot, but we're getting ready to pull these off, and we'll get them in the house, and we'll make up some fajitas. Alright, y'all. Time has come. We're going to assemble one of these things, or a couple of them. I got a couple shells there. So we got our vegetables all chopped up. Got some cheese. Got some fresh tomato. Got our guacamole, and we got some sour cream. So let's throw one of these things together here. We don't want to put too much meat in it. We want, you know, just enough to. Yeah, there we go. Get some of these peppers in there. And if you all aren't roasting your veggies like this, I don't know if we can be friends or not. I mean, so, alright. Put some guacamole in there. And I do have a recipe on the playlist for making the homemade guacamole. Get some sour cream in there. That's some thick sour cream, y'all. Now you can do refried beans and the rice and all that kind of stuff if you want. Me, I just like the veggies. Alright, let's get some cheese up in this place. Alright, look at that. Alright, y'all. Look at that. That's going to be delicious, y'all. So, let me get another one made up here, and we'll come back and do our taste test. Alrighty, y'all. It's time for the taste test. I'm gonna have another bite, y'all. Y'all, that is delicious. I'd put that up against any old restaurant. Not Ed the old tech guy. I've seen him cook. He's an awesome cook. But anyways, there you have it. Cilantro lime fajitas. A little different. Hope you all like it. Hope you are going to try it. Super easy grill meal. So love you all. That's all I got. And well, like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, ring the bell, hit the notifications, get everything we do here on the channel. And as always, bon appetit.